Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you're a new viewer in my channel, please visit my website also nicolasnino.com. There you can find intraday position, trading strategy and so many scanners. So hope all these scanners and videos helpful for intraday and positional trading. Let's move to today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about intraday trading strategy. For that we are using ATR indicator. This is TradingView chart. In TradingView chart indicator section, just click here and just search ATR. And then you will get the ATR trailing stop loss. So you just select that indicator. This is the indicator. So here you can select dot, line, whatever you want, like that. So I'm selected in line. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about how to trade with this one ATR. This is not a super trend, this is an ATR value. So first I'm started with the BPCA. For example, because this share show a good performance yesterday. First you add this indicator on your chart, and whenever the indicator is steady line, that means see here you can see steady line from 1032 it's in steady level, so it's act as a support level. Then whenever this is steady line formed, you just mark that line. So from market is here, the line is formed, so you can mark here. So this is act as a support now. Then how to trade with this level I will show you. Then after that market is breaks here, see market is breaks here. So what you do is then just close this one. Now you know that this is the support level. Whenever this support level is breaks, you can go for sell. So here we can go for sell, and where you place stop loss, there the same candle high you can place stop loss. And if you feel that okay this stop loss is too high, then leave the trade. Okay, then wait for next chance. Here market is 427.75. 427.75 is the sell level. From here it comes down to 423.25. See, if you want the percentage from here, more than 1%, it's down. Okay, the same way you already know that this is the support level. Then market is reversed and another candle is breaks and close above the level, so you can buy the closing price. Okay, that means 430.55, and the same candle low, most of the people are asking about the where we should place stop loss. The same candle low below you can place stop loss, then you can take buy here. So it's going up only. Then you just on the indicator, when another flat line is formed, you just mark that line. So it's a resistance now. Okay, then it's hide it. So here you get a buy signal, so you can get buy. From here it's moving more than, I will check it. So this is the scale, more than 3% it's going. When it's going to 1%, above 1%, you can exit it. Okay, and here also you can see how the powerful the level is. Again the same line, it's take a support here, and here it's break. So there's a chance here it's break and close below, so there is a sell chance that comes down. The same candle above, you can place stop loss. This is the one stock, and another one we are going to check Hinpetrol. You can check with any stocks. This is just for an example. Hope you understand the strategy. This is not super trend, this is an ATR stops. So just on it. So market is here, market is open here, and I'm using 5 minutes candlestick time frame. Okay, that's not it. So here we got a support level. When market is here at 1045, the line is flat. So whenever line is flat, you just not the mark the level. Okay, then hide this one, otherwise you get confusion. Then wait for the breakout. Okay, here it's breakout, so immediately you can go for sell and place stop loss above here. See, here you can go sell, and from here it comes to 1% and 2.55 points it comes down. 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 then wait for next chance. After that, market is break and candle is close above the line, then again we can go get a buy signal. So just place stop loss here below this candle, and you can buy at the closing price. From here also it's moving more than 1%. Okay, so maximum 2 trades done per one stocks. Okay, don't trade more. Another stocks IOC, opening time is market is good, that's why. IOC here you get a flat signal, okay, around 12.25. So you just mark here, and the stop loss is just above the candle, and just hide this one. Okay, here it's the sell, and just above the candle you can place stop loss. See, from here to it comes down to more than 1%. All trades comes to 1%, and you can check whenever touch that line, market is falls down. See, so this is act as a strong resistance now. See, okay. So it's with a small stop loss you will get huge profit. That is the idea of this strategy. One more stock I will show you, Ibull Housing Finance. Whenever the line is flat, see here the line is flat, so you just draw the level and just wait when market is touch that level. If it close above the level, you can go for buy, below the level go for sell. When it's touch and comes down, then also you can go for sell with the stop loss. So here market is touch and next candle is red, that means it's a failure, so you can go for sell here and place stop loss above the line. See, here you can sell, and above this line you can place stop loss. That also comes down. Any stocks you can check it, and I just selected the stock from my scanner. You can select any other stocks. So hope you get some idea about this strategy. This is not an super trend, this is ATR stop. You just select the ATR stops and change to the line. There are so many other features are there, but you just select it to the line, then just whenever the line is flat, just mark it. If it's a red line, it's act as a resistance. If it's a green level, it's act as a support, but the strategy is same. When the candle is closed below the line, if it's resistance or support, go for sell, above the line go for buy, and the same candle below is the stop loss. So hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.